First, take a look at this video.
Enemy forces advancing from the east! Hold your positions! Air support incoming!
It may look real, but it's completely AI generated. And now this image, this isn't real either. The crazy part? You can create videos and images just like these using AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, so stay tuned. Hey, this is Shujat Ahmed, and you're watching AI Ustad 2.0. Let's go to Google and search for Count AI, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Count AI. Here we can find the different generative models such as Nano Banana to Kling 3.0 Pro, Nano Banana inpaint, Seedream 5.0 Lite, Kling Motion Control, and Wand 2.6. There are many other AI video generation models available. Now from Studio Apps, create amazing content with our easy-to-use Studio app. Here we can find the different tools like AI Stylist, Face Expression Editor, Image Face Swap, and more features are available. For example, we can see people use this AI tool to generate images effortlessly for their content creation and use these images for their brands. From Image here, we can produce stunning images with AI models. Pro models require subscription to unlock. Here we can find Nano Banana 2 Image to Image, Nano Banana 2 Text to Image, Nano Banana Pro Image to Image, and other important AI image models are available. So we can use these models to generate stunning images effortlessly. We can see these images are generated with the help of different image models, so we can also create such type of images easily. Now from video section here, we can create a cinematic video with AI generation models such as Kling, Seedream, Wand, and other AI video generation models are available. We can see the videos are generated with the help of different models. From video effects, we can transform our photo into amazing video effects with AI. We can use this feature to generate video. Now click on Models. Here we can find different models for different purposes. Here we can also find the latest video generation models such as Seedance 2.0 Text to Video and Seedance 2.0 Image to Video. Now click on All Models. Here we can find different video generation models, and more than 100 models are available. We can see each and every model in detail form. On Categories here, we can find 98 models. Each and every model is categorized in different formats. Here we can find text to video models, text to image, image to video, and we can also find different models here. On the right side of the canvas, we can see all models that are available in Count AI, so we can use these models for different purposes. Now click on Models. From here, we will use Seedance 2.0 Text to Video. Seedance 2.0 Image to Video and other models are also available, but for this demonstration, we will use the Seedance 2.0 Text to Video feature. Here, the Seedance 2.0 Text to Video feature is powered by ByteDance's latest cinematic video model with native audio sync and director-level control. Here on the prompt bar, I will paste a prompt, follow a gangster on a busy highway, and the rest of the prompt is related to the video. After that, we can upload an image, we can upload a video, and we can upload audio as a reference according to our need, but we will go through text. After that, we need to select aspect ratio. Here, a wide range of aspect ratios are available, but we will choose 16:9 ratio. Now click on Resolution. From here, we can generate HD quality videos effortlessly. Once we select the video resolution, now we need to select the duration of the video. From here, we will select a 10-second video, but you can select up to 15 seconds. Once everything is done, click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate a video based on our requirements, so be patient. Once the video is ready, let's play and see the video. We can create this type of amazing video with the help of this amazing AI tool. We can also download this video, we can share this video, and we can also edit this video further, but this time we will download this video. Click on Download. Once the download is complete, let's play and see the final video. In Count AI, we can create this video with the help of the Seedance 2.0 text-to-video feature. This time, we want to use Kling 3.0 Pro Text-to-Video. Here, all models are available. Now we can use Kling 3.0 Pro Text-to-Video, describe the scene in action, and also we can add a camera movement to generate a video. Then from different ratios, we can choose the best one according to our need. After that, we can set the duration up to 15 seconds, which is one of the most important parts of this amazing AI tool. We can also add video sound effects, and we can also add multiple shots to generate a video. Now in the prompt bar, I will enter a large-scale modern war between two powerful countries, and the rest of the prompt is related to the scene. After that, from aspect ratio, we can choose one according to our need, but we will select 16:9 ratio. After that, from video duration, we can choose a video duration depending on our need, but we will prefer to generate a 15 seconds video. After that, we will toggle on the sound effect. Once everything is done, click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate based on our prompt, so be patient. Once our video is ready, let's play and see the video that we have created using Kling 3.0.
Enemy forces advancing from the east! Hold your positions! Air support incoming!
Impressive. Wow, we can see it looks like a real war video, but this is not real. This video is generated with the advanced AI video generation model Kling 3.0. Now we can also download this video. We can share this video with our friends. We can also edit this video further. Now click on Edit More. From here, we can edit our video. We can edit reference images, and we can also upscale our video. Once everything is done, we want to download this video. For that, first click on Download. Once the download is complete, let's play and see the final version of the video that we have created using this AI tool.
Enemy forces advancing from the east! Hold your positions! Air support incoming!
Wow, amazing. We can create this type of video by describing our idea and generate a video like this. We can see the video. Each and everything is based on our prompt, and it looks like a real video. Now we want to generate AI Stylist. For that purpose, go to the Studio option. From here, click on AI Stylist. Here we can try different outfits and styles instantly. Here we can select male and female according to our need. After that, we need to select a model. Here we can find Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro, so we can select one according to our requirement. After that, we need to select an aspect ratio. Here are a wide range of aspect ratios, so we can select one for our requirement. Then we will upload an image. Now click on Upload Image. From here, you will select your image and click on Open. Once our image is uploaded successfully, now click on Accessories and Outfits. Here we can find different outfits, so we can select one based on our need. We can also find different accessories and outfits such as outerwear, top, set, bottom, socks, shoes, and accessories, so we can select one by one according to our need. Once we select accessories and outfit, and everything is done, click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate AI Stylist images, so be patient. Once our image is ready, let's preview the image. Wow, it's looking amazing. This is a very powerful and most advanced tool. Here we can find different models for different purposes. We can generate this image by just uploading our image and then selecting outfit and accessories. From here, we can also download this image. We can share this image. We can also edit this image further. Now we want to download this image. For that purpose, click on Download. Once the download is complete, let's open and see the final version of the image that we have created using the AI Stylist feature. We can generate this image by following 3 simple steps. Upload our model, select accessories, and generate style. Now we want to use the Nano Banana inpaint feature to remove unwanted things from our image. From inpaint here, we need to upload an image. We can also select a brush according to our need. Then we will describe the area we want to paint and edit according to our need. We can also add a product and make use of different image models according to our need. We can also select aspect ratio. Now click on Upload. From here, we will select our image. and then click on Open. After that, we need to select the area we want to change from the image. I will select the area that I want to change. Once we select the area, in the description bar here, I will type remove the selected area, and then I will select aspect ratio. From here, I will select a 9:16 vertical ratio, and then click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate the image based on our requirements, so be patient. Once our image is ready, we can see the people from the background of the image have been removed successfully. The rest of the image is the same without any changes. We can edit an image by area and describe the requirement we want. With the help of this amazing advanced tool, we can use it for different purposes, such as we can generate high-quality video, we can try AI Stylist, and we can also generate images, and more options are available in this tool. Now click on Models. From here, we will find the audio generation section. Click on Audio Generation. Here we can find the latest audio generation models. We can add a song to a video with the help of this amazing AI tool. Here we can also find the Minimax Speed 2.6 Turbo model. We can also see the Minimax Speed 2.8 model, and other audio generation models are also available. So we can use these models to generate audio with the help of this amazing advanced tool. In Count AI, we can find all these tools in one place. Now click on Studio. Here we can find different features. Under Most Popular, we can find the AI Stylist and relighting features. We can also find the Kling Motion Control feature here. Under New Models, we can find the Face Expression Editor, Multi-Shot Editor, Video Face Swap, and other features are available. Under Camera and Motion here, we can find multi-shot video and angle features, so we can change the angle of any video according to our need. In Studio here, we can find different models. We can remove background, Smart Crowd Remove, and other features are also available, so we can use these models for different purposes. Each model has a specific task, making Count AI a truly all-in-one AI creative platform. I recommend you to use this amazing AI tool. Forget about buying each and every tool separately. You can purchase one tool for images, a different tool for styling, and another tool for video. But in Count AI, you will find all of those in one place. So I highly recommend you to use this amazing tool for your work, and let this tool make your work easy. Try it out using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0, and share your thoughts in comment section.